Don't like Brussels sprouts? I bet you will after you make this recipe. Try it out. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to fry up 5 strips of bacon. Once you get your bacon all nice and fried up, we're going to go ahead and remove that from the skillet, leaving the fat from the renderings, and we're going to go ahead and saute up a half of a red onion and a half of a red bell pepper, about medium in size each. Saute those until they get nice and soft. Once you got them sauteed up, after about 2 or 3 minutes, we're going to add in a pound of Brussels sprouts that we've sliced in half. Now, if you have smaller sprouts, you can leave them whole, but if they're large, go ahead and slice them in half. Once you've allowed those things to saute up for about 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and cover them and continue to let them cook. Once they've been going for about 10 minutes and they begin to pick up some nice color, just go ahead and mix everything around and make sure that everything is cooking evenly. You can see how those sprouts are starting to caramelize. That's exactly what you're looking for. After about another 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and season it with salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper. Look how they look. They're looking real good. So once you're about 5 to 10 minutes away from cooking, go ahead and add in some minced garlic. This is going to add another level of flavor. But as far as with them being done, it's up to the desired tenderness that you're looking for. And once you get them to the desired tenderness you're looking for, just go back in and add in that bacon that we cooked up earlier. Get everything a mix and you'll be good to go. I guarantee these will be the best Brussels sprouts you've ever had.